Is your Night Owl DVR not connecting to the internet? No remote viewing, no mobile access, and the DVR keeps showing offline? Don't worry, in this video, I'll show you the fastest fixes step by step so you can get your Night Owl system back online. First, check the LAN or Ethernet cable connected between your DVR and router. If possible, try another LAN cable because faulty cables are very common.
Affiliate product suggestions. To buy these products, link is in description.
Turn off the DVR, unplug the router power, wait 30 seconds, then turn everything back on. Go to network settings and make sure DHCP is enabled. Check if your internet is actually working using the same Wi-Fi network. Now, open P2P or cloud settings and make sure the status says online. If it still says offline, change the DNS to 8.8.8.8 and reboot the DVR. Update the Night Owl Protect app and reconnect your DVR using the QR code. If your Night Owl DVR still won't connect to the internet, reset network settings or update the DVR firmware. Subscribe for more CCTV troubleshooting videos.